Ever wondered what it would be like to live on Jupiter's largest moon, Ganymede? Picture a world beyond our own, beyond Mars, beyond the asteroid belt, nestled in the orbit of the gas giant Jupiter. This is Ganymede, a celestial body larger than the planet Mercury, the only moon in our solar system with its own magnetic field, and a place that could potentially host life as we know it. Life on Ganymede would be unlike anything we've ever experienced on Earth. Imagine a sky dominated by the swirling colors of Jupiter, days only 7 Earth hours long, and a landscape scarred with ancient craters and deep grooves. Yet beneath its icy surface, Ganymede may hide a secret, a vast ocean of liquid water, more than all of Earth's combined. As we gaze upon the stars and dream of the unknown, the possibility of life beyond Earth continues to captivate our collective imagination. Join us as we explore the journey to this celestial body and the possibility of calling it home. Traveling to Ganymede isn't as simple as booking a flight. The adventure to Jupiter's largest moon is an ambitious endeavor that requires advanced technology, a deep understanding of space travel, and a fair bit of patience. Our current technology for space travel is impressive, but it's not quite at the level where we can jet off to Ganymede on a whim. Most of our knowledge and experience in space travel has been concentrated within our own solar system, primarily to our neighboring planets. We've sent astronauts to the moon, rovers to Mars, and probes to the far reaches of our solar system. But Ganymede, orbiting the mighty Jupiter, is a whole new ballgame. The distance from Earth to Ganymede is vast. It's about 625 million kilometers. That's about 1,700 times the distance from the Earth to the moon. With our current propulsion technology, a manned mission to Ganymede would likely take at least 6 years. That's a long time to be cooped up in a spaceship, even for the most dedicated of astronauts. And then, there are the challenges of such a long journey. Space is not a friendly environment. There's the constant threat of radiation, the potential for equipment failure, and the psychological toll of being so far from home for so long. And that's not even mentioning the fact that, once you get there, you have to survive on a moon that's nothing like Earth. But despite these challenges, the prospect of journeying to Ganymede is not just a dream. It's a goal that scientists, engineers, and space enthusiasts around the world are tirelessly working towards. The potential rewards of such a journey, from scientific discovery to the potential for human colonization, are simply too great to ignore. A trip to Ganymede is a journey into the unknown, but what awaits us there? Ganymede, a moon with its own magnetic field, is a world of wonder and mystery. This celestial body, Jupiter's biggest moon and indeed the largest moon in our solar system, is more than just a satellite, it's a universe in its own right. Imagine a celestial body larger than the planet Mercury. That's Ganymede for you. It holds the crown as the only moon in the solar system known to generate its own magnetic field. This magnetic field is a fascinating feature, as it suggests a molten or partially molten core, which could imply a geologically active past or even present. Ganymede's surface is a spectacle in itself. A vast icy crust blankets the moon, marked by both dark heavily cratered regions and lighter younger regions filled with an intricate array of grooves and ridges. These contrasting terrains hint at a complex geological history, with a dynamic interplay of freezing, melting, fracturing, and perhaps even tectonic activity. Beneath this icy crust, things get even more exciting. Scientists believe that a deep salty ocean lurks under Ganymede's surface, potentially housing more than twice the volume of all of Earth's water. Yes, you heard it right, a moon orbiting around Jupiter may hold a greater volume of water than our home planet. This ocean, if it exists, could be a potential abode for extraterrestrial life, making Ganymede a prime target in the search for life beyond Earth. But it's not just the potential for life that makes Ganymede so intriguing. Its unique magnetic field, vast ocean, and icy surface offer countless opportunities for scientific discovery and exploration. These features also raise the tantalizing possibility of human colonization. Can we build settlements on this icy moon? Could we tap into its ocean as a source of water? While these questions remain to be answered, one thing is certain. Ganymede's unique features make it a tantalizing prospect for future colonization. As we continue to explore the cosmos, this remarkable moon will undoubtedly hold a key place in our journey to understand the universe and our place within it. Living on Ganymede, though challenging, could be within our grasp. Imagine waking up to the sight of Jupiter hanging in the sky, its massive form occupying a huge portion of your view. That's life on Ganymede, the largest moon of Jupiter. But before we can take in such a sight, we must first consider the conditions necessary for human survival. Firstly, let's talk about temperature. Ganymede is a frigid place, with surface temperatures averaging around -160 degrees Celsius. To survive in such extreme conditions, we'd need to develop advanced thermal technologies or perhaps even harness the moon's internal heat, believed to be generated by tidal interactions with Jupiter. Next, there's the matter of air. Ganymede's thin atmosphere is composed mostly of oxygen, but it lacks the nitrogen and other elements we need to breathe. We'd need to bring our own breathable air, at least initially, until we could establish a way to generate it on site. Of course, we'd also need food and water. Ganymede's surface is largely ice, which could be melted for water. We'd probably have to rely on hydroponics and other advanced agricultural techniques for food production, at least until we could develop a way to grow crops in the moon's soil. Then there's shelter. The radiation from Jupiter's magnetosphere is harsh, so we'd need protection. Perhaps we could build underground or use the moon's ice to shield us, and then we come to the tantalizing prospect of terraforming. Could we transform this icy moon into a more Earth-like environment? It's a long shot, but with enough resources and time, it may be possible to thicken the atmosphere, raise the temperature, and create a place where humans could live without the need for life support systems. Life on Ganymede would be unlike anything we know, yet it remains an exciting possibility. This icy moon, with its harsh conditions and unique challenges, could be the next frontier for human exploration and colonization. The journey won't be easy, but as we've shown time and time again, we're up to the task. The potential for life on Ganymede has implications that reach far beyond our current understanding. As we peer into the future of Ganymede colonization, we find a world of opportunities, challenges, and ethical considerations waiting to be explored. The colonization of Ganymede presents a unique opportunity for scientific research. Its subsurface ocean, unique magnetic field, and geological activity make it a fascinating subject for planetary scientists. It's like a cosmic laboratory, offering us the chance to delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe. By studying Ganymede, we can learn more about the formation of our solar system, the conditions necessary for life, and perhaps even find answers to the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? But Ganymede isn't just a boon for scientists, it could also be a new frontier for human expansion. With Earth's resources under strain and our population continuing to grow, the colonization of other worlds becomes an increasingly attractive prospect. Ganymede, with its potential for water and energy production, could offer a solution. Imagine a future where humanity is not confined to one planet but spread across the solar system, with Ganymede serving as a stepping stone to even more distant worlds. However, as we stand on the precipice of this new era, we must also consider the ethical implications. The colonization of another world is not a decision to be made lightly. We must tread carefully, ensuring we do not repeat the mistakes of our past. We must consider the potential impact on Ganymede's environment and any potential life forms that may reside there. The importance of responsible exploration and preservation is paramount. And so, we stand at the crossroads, peering into the future of Ganymede colonization. A world of possibility, of discovery, and of ethical quandaries awaits. Ganymede, a moon once far beyond our reach, could soon become another step in our journey through the cosmos. The prospect of living on Ganymede, Jupiter's largest moon, is a thrilling thought. Imagine embarking on an epic journey across the vast expanse of space to reach this extraordinary celestial body. Ganymede, with its unique features, is unlike any other moon in our solar system. It's the only moon known to have its own magnetic field, and beneath its icy surface lies a vast ocean possibly harboring life. Envision the possibility of human life on Ganymede, a notion that once seemed like pure science fiction. But with advancements in technology, the idea of colonizing this moon is becoming more feasible. We've explored how we could establish habitats, grow food, and utilize Ganymede's resources to sustain life. The future of Ganymede colonization is filled with potential. It represents a new frontier in our quest to become an interplanetary species. As we continue to explore the universe, who knows? One day, calling Ganymede home might not be such a far-fetched idea.